Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, differentiation. Let us see different example. Example number 1. If y is equal to cos of m cos inverse of x, then show that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. So we have here y is equal to cos of m cos inverse of x. So it can be written as cos inverse of y. We have to shift this cos to left hand side. So cos inverse of y is equal to m cos inverse of x. Now y is a differentiable function of x. Here m is constant. So differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of this d by dx of cos inverse of y is equal to m is constant d by dx of cos inverse of x. But we know that the derivative of cos inverse of y, that is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and again derivative of this dy by dx is equal to m is constant derivative of cos inverse of x with respect to x, that is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Here cos inverse of y, so here minus 1 upon root 1 minus y square, and here cos inverse of x, so therefore its derivative minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and again derivative of x with respect to x, that is dx upon dx. Now here we got minus 1 upon root 1 minus y square dy by dx is equal to m minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx upon dx, that is 1. So minus minus get cancelled, and now after shifting these values we will get root 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to m root 1 minus y square. Now on squaring or squaring both sides, we will get square of root, that is 1 minus x square dy by dx bracket square is equal to m square, and square of root, that is 1 minus y square. Now again we can differentiate, because here we have to show that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square, that is second order derivative. Therefore again we have to take differentiation. Therefore differentiate with respect to x, and therefore 1 minus x square d by dx of dy by dx bracket square plus second constant dy by dx bracket square d by dx of 1 minus x square is equal to m square constant and d by dx of 1 minus y square. Now here therefore 1 minus x square as it is, derivative of dy by dx, that is 2 into dy by dx, and again derivative of dy by dx, that is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx bracket square, and derivative of 1 minus x square, that is derivative of 1, that is 0, and derivative of x square, that is minus 2x, is equal to m square constant as it is, and derivative of 1, that is 0, and derivative of y square, that is 2y into dy by dx. Therefore here we got 2 into dy by dx into 1 minus x square d2y by dx square plus dy by dx square bracket square into minus 2x is equal to m square into minus 2y dy by dx. So dividing throughout, 2 into dy by dx. In left hand side also 2 dy by dx is there, here also and here also. So therefore dividing throughout 2 into dy by dx, then we get 2 into dy by dx into 1 minus x square d2y by dx square plus into minus, that is minus 2 dy by dx bracket square into x is equal to minus m square into 2y dy by dx. So dividing by 2 into dy by dx, this term also 2 into dy by dx, and this term also 2 into dy by dx. So 2 dy by dx get cancelled. Here also 2 dy by dx get cancelled, and we got here 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus here x dy by dx, and here we have minus m square y. So this value we can shift to left hand side, and therefore we got 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. Hence the proof, that is 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. Hence the proof. See, we got here 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. So let us see few more example in next video. Bye. Take care.